Okay, quick daily review because I don't have time to muck it up. I had a busy day. Okay, so daily took out some buy side liquidity. For me, no bias right here. I mean, we've got what up, down, up, rejection, up, down. It's all kind of messy. The seek and destroy profile. So I got no bias here. Down to 4 hours. Buy side's taken. We get a nice rundown in London. 6 a.m. candle inverts that. Not too much to see here. Yeah, got sell side here. These are relative equal lows. See, boom, boom, boom. All relatively equal. So, in my opinion, I didn't trade any of this, but this is the draw because that's relatively equal. Buy side taken, and then below these lows, below here, this buy side imbalance, and then we had the market on close pull up from that balance price range. 60. We got a change in the state of delivery here. Taken buy side, run lower. What's that? 6 a.m. candle close below this. Consecutive up close candles. That's bearish order block. Then distribution throughout the whole day. And one of those is overlapping. See these relative equal lows. Boom down into there. 15. We've got London, makes the high of the day. Above this Asia high. Oopsies. Like, run that. Then come back down. That's a change in the state of delivery there. Overlapping BSC. Or CB, sorry. And then that's nice because we leave a little portion open, then move away, don't come back to it, which shows nice weakness. This order block, another run on stops. What's this? 8.15. I like the run at 8.15 because, not because of that, but because of this. We take out this buy side into the new week opening gap, then we come back down into that old new day opening gap. It's like almost 2 weeks ago, but I'm keeping it here just because it keeps getting referred back to. What is this little thing? Have I got like a typing thing on? I don't know what's flashing. Maybe it's because I'm recording OBS. I don't know. Weird, but anyway. We'll continue. Full screen it, because fuck it. Yeah, so we run the buy stops here. Then we move lower. Again, when 930 fails to get up into here properly, that's a breakaway gap to give sentiment. Takes out these relative equal lows, pushes back higher. Then, I mean, this thing here, this reversal here is obviously, well, for me at least, obviously not gonna go above this high. Definitely not back above the new week opening gap because of these relative. Look, it just goes down here. It fails to take them by a little bit. Just gonna go down there. No SMT on ES when it does that. Or maybe there is, but it's not enough. When it makes perfect equal lows like that, it's gonna run out. 5 minute time frame. Here, I'll just go stretch to 1 minute. Not gonna waste time. Go do this quickly. So here, that's not quite the opening range high. No, the opening range high is there, but we don't quite get the opening range high. We get to the consequent encroachment of that wick, and then we drop. Let's just clean this shit up a little bit. But we take out that buy side. Here we've got more relative equal lows, which we run out. We got that sell side. More sell side down there. Okay, it's still there. Good. This buy side here, taken. I skipped the opening range here. This shit is just mid. It's you can tell it's like really mid price action. I mean, it's not for no reason though. Because we've got the economic calendar here. For fuck's sake, it's not set to my presets. I don't normally use DuckDuckGo. But we don't have any red folder. We've just got some news at 10 a.m. and 10:30. We got home sales and crude oil. Then we got the BRIC summit. So careful all day because, you know, news is coming out all the time. And yeah, it's unpredictable really. But that's why I would skip the opening range because there's no news. It's likely to be slightly lethargic. I'm just go to RTH real quick. Regular trading hours. Opening to close. Draw that out. We'll go with this color. I like this color for opening range gaps. Center back. Okay. I like here. There's loads of things here. The time is right. This is a perfect trade. If I wouldn't have taken this as a soup. Maybe if we'd got that high, but it would have been nice because we have this right here. That. I think this would have been a good trade. Taking that order block, but I don't think it closed below there. I'll check on the 30-second. But we have all of this consolidation. We have a run lower, create relative equal lows. Then we have a Judas swing. Then this is the 1050 to 1110 macro here. This is also a potential entry point. I can't be asked to write out the whole thing. Order block. Because we've come up and then we've made a change in the state of delivery. This is also an order block. I'm going to zoom in to see if we closed below it. I actually didn't. That's perfectly to the tick, which is kind of slightly annoying, to be honest. But I will check the 30 seconds to just see if there's something better on here. Yeah, right here. So this would be the order block here. Then we get a close below the consequent encroachment. And then like this. And then a trade back up into it. Close below on that candle. Could entry off this candle or this candle. Stop would be either above that candle or there. And then take profits would be at these lows or here. Or a really nice range. But then entry could be in here because it's also a breakout. We got, you know, low, high, low, blah blah blah, whatever. But you can tell it's a breakout. Kind of that enter on the breakout, enter on the order block. I wonder if there's a reaper in here. That's what I always look for, like lower time frame reapers, because they're so beautiful. They're so beautiful and accurate. But they're is that a little gap? That doesn't look like it. So there's actually nothing in there. Not even down to the 10 seconds. But, okay. Like this is one of the reasons it's so good. Like I got back from college, I had to do revision because I got a fucking test tomorrow. So I probably shouldn't be doing this. I should be revising for my test more. But, you know, I got to keep up with it. But this is the current week, first day, Monday, first presentation fair value gap. So we run that, fail to close above consequent encroachment, which would be my narrative, and then we'd run lower. I forgot to check 30 seconds over here. Is there like a fair value gap for entry? 15 seconds? Because like if I didn't get in that original, yeah, it'd be pretty hard. I mean, actually, is that a reaper? Hello, puppy. That is a reaper. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You can't tell me that's not fucking gorgeous. Look at that. Close. Boom. Skadoosh. 15-second charts reaper. Isn't that beautiful? Now we run lower. I'll just do a quick recap of the rest of the day. So, potential entry points in here on that 15-second reaper. Another potential entry point here. Could do the soup, but let's have a look. So, if I was looking at buy side, I'd have entry there. I would not put my stop at that high because there's definitely a chance we run that high. I'd probably have my stop above here. So, yeah, that could have been a soup. 5 micros down here. And then this is nice. I want to trade the lunch hour because because we had back and forth, down, up, down. I wouldn't trade on continuation. And then we have the PM session open at 1:30, trade down until 2. So I wouldn't have trade any of that because it's just continuation. I don't like to shorten this down there. If it's been like this, like you can see, it's been up and then a whole day of down. I won't take any entries in here, not for me personally. But when we got down to here, what I was looking for in here before I went to kickboxing was, are we gonna get like who is making money? So if you look at the whole day, right, from the equities open, we come down here over this time range. That's the high to the low, almost 400 points down. So big day. And you say, who's making money? Shorts are making money. People are short. People making money. So what's expected? A run on those who are profitable. So if we just quickly clean this up, drag my fib open, and let's just go 0.2, 0.3 for retracement on day. Didn't quite. Is that EQ or is that 0.3? I can't tell. Oh, that's EQ. So you got potential to take an entry here in this breaker. That's potential entry. Long from there. But I was getting ready to go then. So I wasn't watching because I was distracted. And so that's potential entry here. Then little run on stops here. I'm just going to make this because it's kind of annoying me. A little run on stops here. It's probably like a 15-minute PD array actually. 5-minute. Where are we? Yeah, 5-minute fair value gap. 15-minute fair value gap. See? Boom, isn't that beautiful? And then we come down to there. I'll start a bullish order block. Another entry off of that during the mock macro. I mean, like, it's perfect timing. It's that 315 candle. Closes above. A little bit of chop, but end of day. Boom. Off. And we didn't really get much off the earnings. Just pumped up a little bit. I guess Tesla earnings didn't do very well. But, yeah. So it's a nice sell protraction here. And then a little move up at the end of the day. So when you look at it, average for an unused day, consolidation through the opening range, Judah swing, continuation, run on stops, boom, retracement on profit positions. Alright, thanks for watching, in a bit.